Namaskara ellargu, welcome back to the channel. So we were discussing chemical kinetics in this particular series. Let's move on to the next question, which was asked in 2023. So the question goes like, the correct option for the rate law that corresponds to the overall first order reaction is which among the four options which are given? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ they have given a rate equation. They are given four rate equations. ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು rate equations, among these four rate equations, which is the correct rate equation which corresponds to overall first order reaction? So let's take example problem, example such as A moles of A plus B moles of B gives us C moles of C plus D moles of D. For this, according to the rate law, we write the rate equation as, in terms of the reactants, as rate is equal to K times, where K is the rate constant, A to the power of A and B to the power of B. Here small a is the order of the reaction with respect to A, and B is the order of the reaction with respect to B. What is the overall order for the reaction? What is the overall order of the reaction is addition of these individual orders. So that is, if I consider N to be the overall order of the reaction, N is equal to A plus B. So this is a standard way of doing it. So in these four equations, if at all we look into the first option says, according to the for option A, according to A, the order of the reaction according to A is 0, and the order of the reaction according to B is 2, which makes the order to be 2, that is, it's a second order reaction. So the first option corresponds to a second order reaction. Similarly, if we take for the rate for the second option, for second option B, we have the order of the reaction N is equal to 1 plus 1, which is also a second order reaction. And for the third option C, where we have N is equal to half plus 2, half plus 2, this will give us 2.5 order reaction. So as I told you before, order of the reaction can be even fraction. So according to, in this option, according to A, the order of the reaction is half. According to B, the order of reaction is 2, and overall order of the reaction is the addition, sum of the orders of the individual reactants. And the last option D, where N is equal to minus half plus 3 by 2, minus half plus 3 by 2, this gives us 1. So among the four options, the rate equation which corresponds to the first order reaction is option D. So they can ask individually for individual reactants, or they can ask the overall order. If at all they have asked the overall order of the reaction, then add individual orders according to each reactants. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, you can leave a comment, and thank you again. We'll meet up in the next video. Thank you.